Hello again, folks. Here we are, Heritage Builders, out in Mustang Ridge. This is lot number 26. This is where we have our spec project, the Benjamin, going in on this particular lot. We've mentioned this project before to you, and we are at more advanced stages of laying the foundation. In our previous visit, you recall, they were starting to lay in sandbags and some fill material, and they've advanced quite a bit from that last stage. So again, I have Darren Freeman here with us today, and he will take us through a quick tour of this particular lot and show us where we are with the foundation. So Darren, feel free to give us a tour.
All right, Ellie, let's go. We get to pour concrete. We love this stage, right?
That's right.
Not as much as the framing stage.
Although some of your videos might suggest contrary.
Well, if you've seen our previous videos, it's all basically the same. So we have our sandbag trenches. If you get down in here, you can really see them good. We don't want these walls to fall over, so we want to make sure that none of that material gets down into the virgin, because we're cut down into the virgin soil 12 inches, and we want to keep that nice and clean, because that's where your foundation is going to lay. Minus the water bottles, and we will pick them up. Yep, so just ignore that, folks. Again, if you recall, our builder, Mr. Freeman, is a stickler for details. He certainly doesn't like trash, and you'll see him from time to time disappear and start picking things up, because he likes a good, clean job site. So sorry for that little deviation. So what do we got going on here, Dan? What are these trenches here for? Well, once again, this is an engineered foundation. And so our engineers look at soil types and where we're building at, the location, and right now we're building just above bedrock on this particular lot. So we got bedrock just a few inches under us. And so these beams are going crisscross back and forth through the house, and that's to hold the center of your house up, to hold the center of your foundation up. So your exterior beams are the most important, and that's why they're deeper, and that's why they're set down into the virgin soil, foot below the surface. Okay. And we'll fill all them up with rebar, but before we do that, we're going to put plumbing in it. So here in a couple of days, we'll be out here with the plumber, and we'll be getting all the plumbing set. Once we do that, we'll clean the trenches out, clean the center trenches out, and you just have to come back. We'll show you when we get the plumbing, the plumbing stage. That sounds good. I imagine we'll see Mr. Hare from ITS. He'll be back again and probably lay some electric work under these floors too. Is that? Yes, he will. All right. So him and I both will be doing that. Yes. Excellent. So so there you go, folks. This is just a brief show of where we are on lot 26. Again, this is the Benjamin. It is plan 2185. You can find that on our plans page. Darren, how soon can we imagine to see framework being done on this, given we have good weather? Good weather, hit everybody's schedules right. We'll be framing in about 3 weeks. All right, so there you go, folks. So stay tuned. We'll be back for the concrete pour. Certainly we'll be back for the plumbing and the electrical, so you guys get a chance to see all that. And of course the rebar, and then framing starts after that. So thank you again for visiting Heritage Builders. Stay tuned. This is 113 Hidden View Trail. That is correct. All right, so and Marble Falls. So certainly look that up on MLS and get some information about that property. And again, this is Heritage Builders. Thank you for visiting, and we look forward to seeing you again. Please click like and subscribe to our channel. Say goodbye, folks.